Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mel here. Welcome back to episode 3 of Snap and Edit. Today I'm joined here with Mike.
Hi.
He's a wedding photographer that I met last year, and we've been meaning to do a shoot for a while now. And yeah, it's finally happening. We're here at Kensington Parking Garage, and Mike is gonna work some magic.
So far, do you have a side that you like?
This side? Or
A side where the hair is covering it? Is it?
I don't know.
This one? This one? Yeah, okay. You're more comfortable on this side. So let's get started. Like, I just want you to sit on this spot right here and
Try not to die.
yeah, try not to. Actually, it's kind of nice that you're wearing black and white just because it's black and white here. Do you need a boost? Yep. It was just easy. You just climbed up and it was fine. Can you sort of cross your legs in a way?
Which, this way? Or...
Yeah, the other way. Actually, a friend of mine who's a wedding photographer got me into portrait photography. Okay. So I've been a photographer for 12 years, and usually behind the cameras, this thing is making me really nervous and very antsy. Point your feet down. Yeah, good. All right, so I'm just gonna talk you through things, okay? I want you to shift every time I give you a cue. Just maybe move your shoulder towards me, and you do slouch a lot, right?
I do, right?
Yeah, okay, so every now and then I'll probably tell you to roll your shoulders. And we're just gonna start off very easy right now.
Sorry.
Okay, no, don't be. Either you can have your arms out this way, you can just put it on your lap like this, and you can take one hand, hold onto your hat, brush your hair, just like simple, natural things like that, okay? I usually like shooting wide, so I like 35 and 28, and 50 is usually the longest that I would shoot. You can also give me a lean on one side like this, and then you can look over on this side. Yeah. Okay. Don't think about this part back here. That's why I asked you if you're scared of heights. But so far, you're not. Okay, just follow me this way, and just chin up a touch. Yeah, there you go. Good. My style is more candid / documentary style. I try not to overpose people, just because I can't. I can't handle like overly posed shots, so I don't ever want to do that. So I always try to just think about myself, what I like. Don't worry about the hair. Okay. Just let it. Just let it. Like, just let it. Are you a? Do you overanalyze things? Sometimes, yeah, I do. I do think a lot. Okay. Maybe it's a good practice for you not to. Yeah, okay. And just look straight down out there. Yeah. Leave it. Sorry, okay. Leave it. Casual, cool. Maybe it's much better that you're not on that thing. Push off and walk towards me. Walk towards you. It's not like, don't overthink things. I want you to not overthink. Because if you overthink, I overthink. Okay? Walk casually, walk like drunk walk if you want, but not overly drunk. And if you want, you can always just try to pretend that you're walking on like a tightrope. So when you're walking, walk over, tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. And you can always look at me too. It's fine. Good. Walk towards me. Good. Perfect. Look up. Good. Pause there. Look up again. There you go. Good. Let's lose the hat for this one. There you go. Good. I'm gonna try not to get my shadow in there. But can you bring your arms out? Stretch out like this. Like sort of block the sun. Eyes closed. Perfect. Good. Eyes closed. Sorry. Open your fingers so some light gets in your eyes. Lower, lower, lower. There you go. That's good. Here. Yeah. Can I have your hands just going like this? Eyes closed and take one deep breath. Okay, good. And exhale, there you go. Beautiful. And then bring your left shoulder just towards me a little bit. Eyes closed still. Chin up a touch. Good. Good.
When I closed my eyes and took a deep breath, it really helps me to relax and not be as tense.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. One more. Do you feel silly sometimes? Like, I've never really been, like, I never had to do these things. So never really know what it's like on your end.
You want to try it?
Not really. Walk towards me. You can walk. It's not a video. Yeah, okay, good. Okay. Like this. So when you're crossing your leg, you're creating your shape.
Okay.
And then if you had shoes, you can drag your toes like this. When you sway in, just look on the opposite direction. Okay. Good. That's great. Mel, stop there. Can you walk on the non-painted side for now? More, more, more. Good. Perfect. Shift to the left a little bit. Just touch this way. Thank you. And you can put your hat in your face. Good. Beauty. There you go. You just stay like that. You can sleep if you want to. And move your hat off. Yeah. You can just put your hat on the side over here anyway. So since I'm here, just yeah, prop your head just a little bit up and then point your foot down a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Good call on the hand thing. It's good. Yeah. What's something that you've worked on and that's like 50% complete?
Maybe a travel vlog?
Yeah.
Yeah. During the shoot, I was actually pretty nervous because it's been a long time since I last worked with a professional photographer, but Mike was really patient and kind throughout the entire process. He would remind me that it's okay, what we're doing isn't really a big deal, and we're just here to have fun.
The Mel photo that you normally do. I've noticed that you do that too. Clasp your hands together. Yeah, like that. Just sway side to side. Yep, good. Just looking at me here too. And come in closer. Get this wind in there. Not too fast. There you go. Good. Cute. Eyes up. Good. Perfect. Good. There you go. Good. Two hands. Good. Perfect. Perfect. Take one hand and play with your necklace. Yeah, there you go. Good. Eyes up at me. Just eyes. There you go. Beauty. Faster. And stop. Good. I try to just find people's personalities, and this is why I really like doing portraits. Give yourself one big hug. Hug yourself. Good. Maybe not too tight. Hey, you're looking at me. Yeah, there you go. Good. And pop that shoulder up. No. Just pop. 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 Give yourself an embrace. Warm hug. Eyes closed. And sway. I said eyes closed. Good. And then maybe not so much resting your chin on your hand, but just like sort of just have it like, yeah, there you go. And then like so tell me, there you go. Good. Let's see you without smiling. No, I like your smiling. There you go. Good. Perfect.
For our first shoot, Mike and I both did a really good job, and I'm really thankful that we were able to work together and make something happen. Both of us aren't comfortable in front of the camera, me for photo and Mike for video, but we did it, we made it, and I think that's more than enough to be proud of. What do you like the most about photography?
Meeting people like you, I guess.
When I first started this series, my main goal was to improve in photography and posing. And I feel like with each episode, I do see improvement, and it just reminds me that it takes time to get good at a skill. But as long as you don't give up and you keep going, no matter how uncomfortable it may be, eventually you'll get there and the results will be worth it. The shoot. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay. I guess the biggest question is like, yeah, what were expectation versus reality? What did you think of the shoot? I know I'm hard to work with.
No, you're not hard to work with. I think like all the stuff that I've been telling you throughout the shoot.
Yeah, don't overthink.
Yeah, I think it's just more not to overthink things, but I had no expectations of the shoot. I don't like coming in with expectations for shoot because I don't want to put a lot of pressure on whoever I'm shooting with. So, you know, if I have an expectation and I want you to be a certain way, I don't want you to feel that pressure.
Yeah.
Because I want whoever I'm shooting to be as comfortable as possible. So, there is no expectations.
Yeah.
Whatever versus reality is what it is.
You're like analyzing our personality. I don't know, I was curious what you were thinking. You're like,
For what?
What do you say? You said, I'm discovering some things about you or something, how I process things.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what are they?
You feel that you want to do a lot of things, you're very creative, but you're stopping yourself. You're your own worst enemy.
Yeah.
That you want to be, I feel like you have a lot of ideas, but you get bogged down with the small stuff, which ends up stopping you or preventing you from doing what you want to do. Maybe I'm wrong, who knows, but I feel like that's what I get the vibe. And you're very shy. Yes.
I am shy.
Yeah, you're very shy. So I have to agree. I'm like a partial shrink, if anything.
Huh?
A shrink.
A shrink? What does that mean?
You know, like a psychiatrist of some sort.
Oh.
Like to analyze people.
Oh, yeah, I can see that. Yeah, that's interesting. What?
I'm just.
I'm confused now. Okay.
It's okay. Don't be confused. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that was fun.
I'm gonna do your little peace sign.
Yeah.
Peace sign.
That's Michael's pose. I think we're gonna go grab dinner now. Thank you so much for doing this.
Yay.
Follow Mike at lovexlens. And where else can they find you?
Oh, it's also michaelgozum.photo on Instagram. That's mostly my travel stuff, but Love and Lens is portraits.